Pisces, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading and also use some oracle decks that we have here. Pisces, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into 2021, we have the 10 of Wands. Certainly you were quite stressed out. Possibly there was a lot of pressure on account of work that you had to deal with. But some respite was also expected for Pisces. Sometimes, you have to give in to whatever others want. Maybe you have to give in or surrender to the whims of your loved ones. Financial instability had also plagued you or it had affected you deeply. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Cups. You'll be quite withdrawn in this period. Possibly you're focusing on your own self. The communication is going to increase, but then there'll be those periods when you will be withdrawn or you will want to stay away from people. Ideally, I think Pisces, you should try to stay away because there could be unnecessary arguments. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Cups. Certainly Pisces, I think you will be all by yourself or you will be withdrawn because you don't want to get into unnecessary arguments. Though it's quite likely that there could be quarrels. Sometimes, you may also be accused of being self-centered or self-seeking, but then you will also enumerate or you will try to clarify your point of view. You will point out that in the past you have always been generous. Maybe you need to jog the memory of your loved ones or your acquaintances. On the work front, I think you can expect unnecessary change of plans. Possibly you have to give in to whatever your superior is telling you. Though you think that all the ideas which your superior has seems to be silly or may not work out. Nonetheless, you should brace yourself for a lot of paperwork this week. Nevertheless, you should brace yourself for a lot of paperwork in the month. Maybe you should also be transparent or your misdeeds could lie in the open. So try to be mindful of such situations. Influences for the month, we have the Empress card for Pisces. So certainly you're coming across as a very magnetic personality. You're very nurturing and motherly kind of a figure. At work, you may feel that offers are there for a side hustle or maybe for a side business, and you may be a bit tentative as well because the offer is about something which you have not tried or tested your skills at. But you should go ahead and you should take the offer because these chances or these opportunities help us improve as people or help us develop into all-round personalities. Sometimes you may also feel that the pay is not commensurate to your efforts. Still, you should capitalize. Some Pisces, I think you will also want to repay part of the loan. There could also be a tension on the home front on account of some adversaries, or they could be out to hinder your family's chances of making progress, or you could try to sabotage your family's belongings. So should be careful of that as well. The first 10 days of January, we have the 9 of Wands. Surely this is going to be a challenging period for you. You may think that even after giving in your best or giving your best shot, it's frustrating because you don't get the rewards. Sometimes you may also be in deep thought or in a contemplative mode. Basically, Pisces, I think it would be better if you wouldn't overreact to situations. Estranged people could also try to re-enter your life, but maybe you're not going to be keen on this connection. Possibly you want to distance yourself from such people. I think also Pisces, you should cooperate with others. Be flexible in your mindset because even as a superior, in case you have subordinates before you or under you, they may think that you're a very bossy personality or that you're not flexible in your approach. Some days you could also be socializing. Maybe you should also join a meditation program or an exercise program because it would lighten your energy. 11 to 20th January, we have the card 3 of Cups. Like I said, your social life will be on the upswing this month. So you will find acquaintances or relatives coming into your life. Maybe you're communicating with them or maybe you're meeting up with them. Ideally, I think Pisces, you should also tap into your contacts and you should make gains. because gains are quite likely through your friends and acquaintances or through known people. You should also promote yourself on the social media. It's quite likely that a younger person could help you understand the workings of the social media. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you'll be concerned about the health of a young one or a loved one, a younger person possibly. The last 10 days, that is 21st to 31st January for Pisces, I have the card 3 of Swords. Some kind of separation is quite likely. In this period also, it's a sword energy, so that is why you should be careful, or you should watch your words, because you may come across as someone who's got a caustic tongue. It's going to be a hectic period, no doubt, so you need to sharpen your skills and you should move forward. Also, I think whatever has been told to you in strict confidence, you should not reveal, because maybe you're coming across as someone who isn't trustworthy. Even in financial dealings, I think I had enumerated or outlined earlier in this reading that you need to be honest in your dealings. For some of you, I'm also picking up Pisces that the work environment could be a tad stifling. Maybe you think that there's envy that you have to combat. Nonetheless, I think in this period you may also find that your wit is going to be helpful for your acquaintances or for colleagues. Some kind of separation is also quite likely in the final days. Maybe your health is also cause for concern. With respect to your love life, I have the card Observer. Sometimes, you need to take a back seat and be the silent observer. The opposite sex will definitely find you quite rule-worthy. Like I said, your social life will be on the upswing, so maybe you could meet new people who could be interested in you. Maybe they can't take their eyes off you. Nonetheless, I think Pisces, you're someone who will leave them heartbroken. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be a marriage proposal, but it may not be crystal clear. Maybe it's not spelled out. Sometimes, even you may be in a situation where you may feel the pangs of separation, because we have the 3 of Swords, which talks about heartache. We don't get what we desire. Possibly God has other plans for you. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you'll be the silent observer. They're going to keep a tab on your crush on the social media. Maybe you're cyber stalking. Now and then you will also recall past conversations with this person. Maybe you are living in an imaginary world and you're observing whatever is going on around you. For some Pisces, I'm also picking up that maybe you want to rekindle a past connection. Maybe you have feelings for the person, or over time you have developed those feelings. That is why you want to reconnect, and this person could respond to you through a message. But then these are early days. Possibly you should not go overboard. Romancing Pisces will enjoy fruitful exchange with your partner. You're coming across as someone who is quite witty and charming. Maybe you want to impress the person with your knowledge or the gift of the gab. Besides your partner, your person is going to offer you sound advice, so how you should proceed at work. Those who are married, I think your spouse will make financial gains, so that could lift your spirits a bit. You will enjoy those romantic moments, no doubt. But for some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be in a third-party situation, or there could be infidelity, which could be a factor here. You should be careful in case you're in a third-party situation, so that your romance is not busted. A message from the universe is vision. So possibly Pisces, you're going to get insight, or there could be dreams which you're going to get in this month, which could be quite insightful. So pay attention to those dreams. Another card we have from Archangel Raphael is acceptance. So in case you're dealing with a health situation, you should realize that Archangel Raphael is in charge. Call upon him and accept that everything is going in the right direction. I hope Pisces, you liked your reading. This is Char with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. Did you notice that it's becoming dark out here because the heavens are going to open up? I think I need to wrap up. It's a short sign. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.